Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Santi Arum Puspita Lestari from Universitas Buana Perjuangan Karawang. Today, I will present the result of my research titled Analysis of the Improvements of the Student Mathematical Reasoning Ability through the Implementation of the Problem Posing Method. First of all, mathematical reasoning is a fundamental skill of human intelligence. It is a section in 2090. IAL, it plays a key role in honing student ability to think logically, analyze problem, and find appropriate solution. And the last, the ability in mathematical reasoning is of the one essential skill that student must possess. It is from Bernard in 2980. Then, student mathematical reasoning ability remains low. This is evident in the average mathematics score on the PISA, reaching 379 with an overall average score of 487. Students have to low perform numerical calculation and struggle to apply it everyday life. They lack the ability to analyze mathematical problems and cannot develop them because they are fixed on the standardized forms of the mathematical formula. This is indicated that student understanding is still limited, and they are unable to interpret the practical application of their mathematical reasoning ability. The solution is method problem posing. Problem posing method emerges as an interesting and potential alternative to enhance student mathematical reasoning ability. The problem posing method involves students in formulating their own mathematical questions or problems, which can improve their understanding of the concept, critical thinking skill, creative thinking ability, and reasoning ability. So, this research is expected to provide new insight into the effectiveness of the problem-posing method in enhancing student mathematical reasoning ability. Method in this research is a pretest and post-test research design consisting of two proposedly selected groups. The research sample consists 34 ninth grade from one of the public junior high school in the Silebar district of Karawang. The research instrument is a set of 5 essay questions. The level of mastery of mathematical reasoning ability is reflected in high or low value obtained. Meanwhile, to calculate the increase in mathematical reasoning ability, the following gain formula. So, the result of the mathematical reasoning ability is, you can see in the table indicating that the average pretest score is 5.35, while the average post-test score is 50.56. For moving on to the classification of student score, for the pretest, all students fall into the very less. However, the post-test, there is an improvement. One student in a good, 70 students in pretty good, 40 students in not enough, and 2 students in very less category. This suggests an improvement in student mathematical reasoning ability, but still within the medium category. So the discussion, the problem posing method can enhance student mathematical reasoning ability because it provides an opportunity for students to analyze the given problems. In this analysis process, students can explore the data present in the problem and offer their solution. Students are trained to continuously stimulate their thinking about the problem-solving strategy. They can question why data is transformed into a specific form, consider the importance of solving the problems, and explore whether there are other possible methods that can be applied. Even after solving a problem, students still consider the possibility of new problems arising from the situation. So the lowest increase was observed with indicator of the performing mathematical calculation based on agreed upon rules of formula. The cause was the students were still unfamiliar with the types of cards in a set of bridge cards, which were used on the source of question material. Meanwhile, the highest improvement was seen in question with the indicator of drawing logical conclusion. Thus, a student were able to draw logical conclusion from presented problem or data. In this figure, average student score in school score, student average-nya 22.3 and student score for post test is 64.83. So the conclusion in this research is the average pre-test score for student was only 5.53. This is from the ideal maximum score, indicating that students receive very poor scores. However, after being taught with the problem posing method, the average student score changed to 50.56, showing the improvement of 41.79%. Therefore, it can be concluded that the problem posing method has proven to enhance students' mathematical reasoning ability. The problem posing method serves as an innovative alternative method that can be utilized by teachers in the teaching process. So, this is the end from my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.